This service brought to you by Smart. Live more. At kung tayo ay may rest back dito, ang Thailand meron ding dalang mga kaposa rito. Coach Sabi, 7-4 para sa Thailand. A point away from reaching the first technical timeout. From the backline, atake ang Pilipinas at pumuntos tayo maski na dumausdos doon ang ating liberong si Montero. Coach Oliver Almadro nagdiriwang na naman sa sideline.
Our head coach and #1 fan, si Coach Oliver, trying to egg on his troops. Nasa 2 na lang po ang kalamangan ng Thailand, 7-5.
This service brought to you by Smart. Live more. Coach Oliver Almadro, ang siyang head coach ng Ateneo Blue Eagles na nagkampiyon sa most recent UAAP season. At yan ang unang kampyonato ng Ateneo Blue Eagles sa kasaysayan ng UAAP. Pero itong Thailand ay lamang na naman pagdating ng first technical timeout. Once again, 1 against 2 gets the job done para dito sa Thailand.
The 28th Southeast Asian Games is presented to you by PLDT Home Fiber, home's most powerful broadband.
I know you're watching over us.
Please, it's really important. I really need to go to this concert.
This is the answer to my prayers.
I'm sorry.
Why did you do that?
Because you wanted to look like you.
Watch over them wherever you are with FamCam, only on the reliable family-sized connection of PLDT Home DSL.
Introducing the all-new Smart Postpaid Surplus Plans. Packed with super-sized data. Choose freebies every month, plus calls and texts, and the latest smartphones. It's postpaid made smart.
Ito ang paboritong game show ng mundo na dapat naman talagang tutukan. Who wants to be a millionaire?
Guys, may 300 MB tayo.
Stock up on data with Smart Big Bites. May apps and sites up to 300 MB. 50 pesos lang for 3 days. May free YouTube pa and more. Text Big 50 to 9999.
Masaya tayo ay sama-sama. High five!
The new FamCam lets you watch over your family, controlled by the quad-core PLDT Home Telpad.
Introducing the all-new Smart Postpaid Surplus Plans. Packed with super-sized data. Choose freebies every month, plus calls and texts, and the latest smartphones. It's postpaid made smart.
This program is brought to you by Smart. Live more.
Pag maganda na yung flag natin, nakuha na natin yung timing, pitch receive, yung dumidepend sa dulo, adjust na po. Pero nag-anticipate yung drop ball. Okay,
That's the Coach Oliver Almadro reminding the Nationals that if there's an opportunity to just put the ball away, pag pumalo lang daw pumalo, and then cover lang yung mga bandang dulo, yung mga deep zones.
Short, Coach Ronnie, gumawa ng paraan.
Gumawa ng paraan, lumaban. Dahil itong Thailand, very composed. Janvic de Guzman, leading scorer so far in this battle versus Thailand. Montero service reception combination play. If you receive well, Janvic de Guzman is always so efficient sa kanyang mga attack points.
And de Guzman right now on point. Coach Ronnie very consistent here in this game. 8-6. Philippines still down by 2 points.
Back in the Southeast Asian Games after missing the last 4 stages. Peter Torres going to zone 1 pero hindi kakabit sa linya. Good read ng floor defense.
And that is the 5th service error of the game.
And the first one.
First one here in the second set.
Ang bigat ng frontline ng Thailand dito.
Grabe, no?
That was clearly in. Service ace para sa Thailand.
Si Coach Oliver, so
alam niya, maski tumaas yung dalawang kamay niya, napatingin siya sa linya dahil pasok na pasok yung bola.
Nasa harap niya eh.
10 serving 6.
Oh!
Hanap ng isang hulog dito ang Thailand pero hindi papasok yun. Now let's see if Olmorosa will have better ball distribution dito sa ating offense at matindi rin ang frontline ng Pilipinas. Intal, De Guzman at itong ating back-to-back MVP sa UAP na si Espejo. Pareha on deck to serve. Isa sa tallest player ng Team Pilipinas. Combination play, hard to defend, going down the line.
Very hard to defend, lalo na pag unang tatalon si Quezada.
Pinabuka ni Quezada. Ayan, no?
There you go.
So binasag na yung ating two-man wall and that's a smaller cover. De Guzman.
And you always need to cover kasi si Quezada.
Dalawa
Tapos yan si Jerayu scoring for Thailand.
Good reception coming from Montero. This time the Philippines scoring courtesy of Mark Anthony Espejo. 11-8. Still Thailand up. Para sa atin, it's a battle for survival. Pero kailangan maipanalo natin ng 3 sets ito kung di ako nagkakamali para makatawid sa semifinals. Ang iikli ng mga rallies na nakikita natin.
Pababa pa lang tayo, pangangat sila.
Oo, pero kung titignan natin, parang maximum na yung 4 na balikan. No? Baka hindi pa umaabot.
And another Quezada fake.
Combination
play. And then Jerayu finishing off with that attack from the left side.
Tignan natin kung madidinig natin si Coach Oliver Almadro. Tumawag muna ng timeout para dito sa ating mga national players.
So we have to be smart. Sometimes, ulit. Guys, look ha. Pagkaganyan, bangga, dito lang. Kailangan sila naglalak kayo. It's cross.
Some reminders, some bullet points ni Coach Oliver Almadro. How to defend and block, how to shadow the ball. At higit sa lahat kung paano tayo umatake. At ito na yung ating pinakamalaking tinik. Kailangang bantayan. Attack error from the back line coming from John Vic De Guzman gives Thailand its biggest lead of the second set, 13-8.
13-8, and I think the first error of De Guzman here in this ball game has been very consistent, although that time around was thwarted by the net.
This service brought to you by Smart. Live more. 13-8 for Thailand. Sada attacking Espejo. Espejo ginawa ng paraan, pinalo. Walang duelo para sa Thailand na ibalik ng Pilipinas. Another combination play and a drop. Walang coverage, nahuli. 14-8, 6-point advantage for Quezada. Ikenon and the rest of Thailand.
You know, started with a poor reception by Team Philippines, just opening up numerous advantages of Team Thailand. Don't look now, Coach Ronnie. 6 na po ang kalamangan, 14-8.
Kanina, 3 lang yung ating hinahabol at 11-8. Oops, miss hit coming from Intal. And that's a routine hit. Routine play para kay Intal, that running hit. Pero hindi kumabit yung bola, 15-8. Look at the sequence. Olmorosa. At hindi in the sweet spot. Napunta kay Intal. Quezada has been on that service line for quite a long time. Espejo finally breaks the drought para sa Team Pilipinas.
After back-to-back hits by Thailand as Quezada goes to the bench, Espejo thwarting that rally by Thailand.
Rising to the occasion, scoring for Team Pilipinas. At yan ang ating unang puntos pagkatapos ng 4 na sunod ng Thailand. Intal serving for Team Philippines. Uy, chance ball. Olmorosa. Binigyan na naman si Espejo. Espejo delivers.
And after that chance ball by Thailand. Philippines taking advantage. Espejo back-to-back attacks. From 6 down to 5, 15 to 10. Thailand still up.
Kadalasan pag may chance ball, tinutulak yan sa mas malayo. Pero dahil sa mababa, yung balik dito ng Thailand, naku, pinaluan ni Espejo muli. Two-man wall for Team Pilipinas. Battered. And second technical timeout sees Thailand having another 6-point lead. Torres, Espejo versus a player for Thailand. Thailand scores once more.
The 28th Southeast Asian Games is presented to you by PLDT Home Fiber, home's most powerful broadband.
I know you're watching over us.
Please, it's really important. I really need to go to this concert.
This is the answer to my prayers.
I'm sorry.
Why did you do that?
Because you wanted to look like you.
Watch over them wherever you are with FamCam, only on the reliable family-sized connection of PLDT Home DSL.
Ingat kapag nagko-commute, ingatan mo yung bag mo, alento ka lagi.
Cebuana Luwilier, pera padala. Basta pera, ipa-Cebuana.
Introducing the all-new Smart Postpaid Surf Plus plans. Packed with supersized data. Choose freebies every month, plus calls and texts, and the latest smartphones. It's postpaid made smart.
Life's too short to miss out on the possibilities. Go for the bigger waves. Reach new destinations. Conquer greater heights. Are you up for it? When life calls, it's game on. Summit Natural Drinking Water. Thirst for more.
The new FamCam lets you watch over your family, controlled by the quad-core PLDT Home Telpad.
The 28th Southeast Asian Games is presented to you by PLDT Home Fiber, home's most powerful broadband.
The psyche is always so important. Skill sets, conditioning, at yung psychological framework.
Yes, it's not always X and O's, Coach Ronnie, di ba?
At si Coach Oliver Almadro, kinikilite yung pusong Pilipino para patuloy na mag-compete at patuloy na maniwala.
Yes, panatag at maniwala. Yun ang message ni Coach Oliver during that timeout.
We have to make sure that our defense has to be more solid. Oh! Ang sinasabi rito ay hindi pa tumatawid yung bola. Pinalo na ng Thailand.
At napangiti na lang to si Paul Vorosa. He was questioning the call. But the call stands. Thailand, point and 7-point lead by the Yellow Shirts.
And an even stronger serve para dito sa Yellow Shirts. Marasigan attacking. At Marasigan will not get that ball across. Grabing offensive block yun para dito kinakitin on.
When you receive poorly, Coach Ronnie, they will know where the Philippines attack as it was thwarted by Thailand.
This block is brought to you by Smart. Live more. Nakukubabawan. Si Marasigan doon sa kanyang huling palo. Two players really...
Yes. Jirayu and Quisada.
Really destroying our defense.
Buti na lang nabati natin para bigyan ng puntos ang Team Philippines.